Hello guys, my name is Owetu and welcome to my real life, real world and real moment. So today it's Christmas and we're going to the mall to get some few things so that we can make the day go and take pictures and whatnot. So let's dive right in. So the things that we want to get is something that is more like a hairband that you put here, red balloons and green balloons, and maybe we'll see if we will get more things. Not quite sure, but now we're walking to the mall. It's quite a long distance, a little bit. Like it's gonna be a long day. Oh, and I'll be cooking for Christmas today. What's the time now? 9:11. So now it's 9:11. My mother wants to buy things at the mall too for today. So today I'm gonna be vlogging my whole day. Yeah, let's keep walking. Scorpion.
You
Hey,
know that too?
Hey, guys, saved her last time.
What the hell?
So I can see the mall. It's right there. Right there. We are still walking, and you can see now. What's the mall?
Merry Christmas.
That's not. It's not visible. Wait, look at this. Right there. ShopRite. The mall is right there. So the mall is right there. And we're about to arrive. So it's just walking.
What's happening here today?
We are passing by the taxi rank now. We just arrived at the mall. And it's quite empty. People went out for the holidays. It's so empty, Sham. Very empty. Yeah. Our first stop is at Mega World. Then after that we'll go to ShopRite to take out money. And we arrived.
Let's go.
Today's social anxiety. Oh my god. I am vlogging. It's my first time vlogging at the mall. Yeah. But let's see how it goes. The food is alright. Yeah, boy.
The Bluetooth
And we
device
are
is
at Mega World. Why lines are 18 rand? 15. These are the balloons we're getting, the red ones. And right there, green. The green ones, red and green. Oh, and these are the things we're talking about. 20 rand one.
Will be somewhere. I don't like this one.
What? Okay, so we ended up going with the balloons and this Merry Christmas thing and this. So now we're going to the home. We're done things, we're heading to ShopRite to buy a few things. So it's in a ShopRite also keep money. And after that, I don't think Mama name in. What's this? At least you could setting my baby marrows. What's Oh, The last time
Asihambe siyomngena vele.
so there was this time we came late at the mall and we wanted to buy a styling gel. So this guy was close and we asked him to buy the styling gel. He said no. Then another girl came. She wanted to buy it because her hair was half done. This guy opened the door for this girl to buy the things, but to us he refused. So today we're going to ask him why. Because why we always buy here and he treats us like this. We wanted to get some things.
Why did you do us like that last time?
Yeah.
I don't understand. When you go outside, then
But we did not,
But you
right?
said you
No,
said
then you
no,
said
we are
no.
closed.
But then when the other
I
girl came,
didn't
you
say
opened.
nicely. You are.
I don't think uzosithenga bekathe uzothenga ishebo yena. Bekathe uzothenga ishebo. Nani? Yeah. I'm stopping the vlog, there's too much noise here. So now we're buying something to eat. We're gonna get some pies. You're vlogging so hard, but we are done.
You want a little towel?
Ke o le o tlhole o tsamaya le yena.
It's okay. It's not.
We are done getting things at ShopRite. It's so hard to vlog where there's a lot of people. I just stopped the vlog inside there because it was hectic. It's so hard, I don't wanna lie.
I'm going to show you by ordering a patrolling.
So now we're going back home and I'm gonna show you all the things that I bought. Then I'm gonna decorate the tree and everything. But so we are done. We prepare the food and everything. Yeah. It's so hard. And people are looking at you like you're crazy.
They're like, what's happening?
It's so hard, Shamyo.
One of them is like,
Hi,
oh,
Nanas.
and I was like,
This kid just wanted to snatch my phone. Heaven. I'm stopping the vlog. This thing is so hard. I'm gonna continue when you arrive home. So now, I'm done here. We are so tired. It is so hard to vlog, especially at the mall here. So we walked all the way from there. And now we are here, going back at home. Yeah, we arrived home and these are the things we got. These are the things I was talking about, the more like a happen thing. Yeah, so we bought 5 of them. This for our Christmas tree is right there. Maybe we're gonna put it here so that we can decorate and put this thing here. And say pictures. These are the balloons. I'm gonna blow them now. The green ones and wait. After that, we're gonna clean the house and start cooking. Erase the lens, I would use the wool to tie. Yeah. The house is now clean. Now I want to set up the Christmas tree. I forgot to vlog the time while I was cleaning, but I will continue right here with the Christmas tree. It looks like this now. These are the things I will put on the Christmas tree so that we can decorate it. This is so cute. Can you please help me? Yeah, put my Elizabeth. This is wrong. This one is also cute. This is how it is so far. See, it looks like this now, so we're gonna be taking the pictures here. We'll sit right here and take pictures. I think I should remove this. I'm not sure. So now we are done cooking. We did everything, but I did not record myself cooking everything. So this is my outfit of the day. This is my outfit of the day. Just a simple white t-shirt, jeans, and no shoes. Don't guess it. Oh yeah, we going to Hey! Now we're gonna take pictures. After taking pictures, we're gonna eat. Then just chill, G. There's nothing we can do. It's just a normal. Oh, it's not a normal day. Merry Christmas. Christmas, Christmas, mama. But okay, let's go take some pictures. I look cute. No, I want to buy shares, but I'm also beautiful. It's a kid. This is where we're gonna take the pictures.
But if you don't, it's going to get sweet.
This is the end of my vlog. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.